A restore job fails with access denied errors. What is the next step that should be taken? Option A. Start the Backup Exec remote agent on the appropriate machine. Option B. Enable restore rights in logon account management. Option C. Check the restore job credentials for appropriate rights. Option D. Change the logon account for the Backup Exec remote agent. The correct answer is option A. What is required to authorize Symantec Backup Exec? B. To successfully access the selected servers and resources for restore. Option A. Selected restore resources must have the proper credentials assigned in the resource restore credentials settings. Option B. Selected restore resources must have the proper credentials assigned in the resource backup credentials settings. Option C. The B system logon must have backup administrator access rights. Option D. The B server must be installed with administrator credentials. The correct answer is option A. What is the purpose of a temporary staging area in Symantec Backup Exec? Option A. Uses a cache area to apply encryption to data during backup. Option B. Allows individual items to be recovered from a tape-based image. Option C. Allows database backups to be cataloged, enabling granular recovery. Option D. Uses available system RAM to process data deduplication during backup. The correct answer is option B. An administrator needs to restore data from a family of 3 tapes. The first tape is missing. Which option should be deselected to allow the remaining tapes to be cataloged? Option A. Request all media in the sequence for catalog operations. Option B. Request available media in the sequence for catalog operations. Option C. Enable direct access recovery. Option D. Associate media with imported media set. The correct answer is option A.